I'm gonna open up my Imperfect box for this week. Imperfectfoods.com. So this week the box is pretty huge and heavy. It's like the size of a mini fridge. So imperfectfoods.com is the website. We sell very good quality organic food in different categories. We also have a discount program if you qualify. So let's just try to take everything out, see what we got in the box. Let us know what you make with your order. Tag us, Imperfect Foods. You can't beat that new box smell. Get it? 'Cause it beats. Okay. So I know that two of the items I ordered, which were, I think they were out of stock. The trout as well as the shrimp, I believe. But this is basically that they were out of stock. But they did send me everything else in the order I had ordered, which is all this stuff. So we got an angelic bakehouse sprouted 7 whole grains raisin wheat bread. It's sprouts standing, whole grains, fresh pressed dough, good choices. #be angelic. Ingredients: wheat berries, quinoa, oat groats, barley, millet, rye berries, raisins, wheat flour, yeast, oat fiber, agave syrup, prune juice, molasses. From Wisconsin. Sprouted and delicious. That looks very healthy and organic. We got some raw and unsalted almonds to munch on, a pound. Let us tackle food waste together. So San Francisco. I guess this is the Imperfect Foods brand. Spicy arrabbiata, Muir Glen organic, pasta sauce, red chili pepper, organic black pepper, fennel, tomato paste, and juice, tomatoes, virgin olive oil, sea salt, garlic, basil, organic. When we try to pick out anything by itself, we find it hitched to everything else in the universe. So can't wait to try that. We got some tuna. I just got one. I was gonna get a few, but it's the first time I'm trying it. So in spring water. So if we like it, next time we'll get more. Mind Fish brand. Skipjack tuna. Catch location Maldives. Mindfish Co. It's the website. Okay. So the rest is just pure produce, I believe. Red seedless grapes. 2 green onions, which are pretty healthy shape. Kuyama Orchard apples, organic Nagafu Fuji, extra fancy apple. I guess this is supposed to be 1 pound, and it's a lot of apples for 1 pound. They're snacker size apples, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 or 7 of them in there, which is pretty good. I think 7. We got a parsley, right? Is it parsley? I was gonna eat some leaves right now. I'm eating some. In pretty good shape. I found an extra tuna in there, so maybe they threw it in there. I wonder if I did order 2 after all. So originally I had ordered 2 and I thought I changed it. And I didn't even know I ordered 2 of the same apples. I have to double check. I'm not sure. I don't remember doing that. But apples are good anyways. 2 packs of the 1 pound organic Fuji apples. Okay, so we found a bottle underneath hidden. We have a mustard here. Stone ground small batch organicville. Mustard. Virginia Sky Valley Foods.com. So it's organic mustard with vinegar and spices. That looks cool. I want to try that. It looks like it has some texture to it. Spices, organic spices. Okay, we got two lemons. She like to use lemons, especially when we're making seafood, like fish or shrimp or whatnot. Or sometimes and I bought recently some squid calamari, aka octopus, so we could use the lemon for that. It goes well with seafood. We got some red onions, 2 of them, which goes good with everything. We got carrots to munch on, snack on, or boil in the soup or whatever. They're carrots. I think this is supposed to be 1 pound of carrot. We got 3 of the bigger size apples. I forgot what these ones were called, but they're pretty good. So we have to eat a lot of apples. They're supposed to be good for you, right? Vitamins, and they're very hydrating when you're thirsty. So 3 of those, which is 1 unit. Finally, we got plums. I'm not sure if this was supposed to be a pound, but it's a lot of plums. They look really nice and fresh and tasty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Very nice color. And then we got peaches. I believe they were 2 for 1 unit or 4 for 1 unit. I got 2 units, so 8 peaches, which should last us a while. peaches are really tasty and healthy. It's peach season right now. So we got all those fruits there. Or non-apple fruits, plums and peaches, which is really nice color and very fresh. Of course, we got our ice pack, which weighs 10,000 pounds. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my shipment opening for this week for imperfectfoods.com. Yeah, so like I said, they were out of stock of I had ordered more shrimp and trout, but it's okay. We'll get some more next time, so it's okay. We'll have to reorder. So better get to eating all these fruits, getting healthy. So thank you guys for watching my video again. These are all the goodies we got. So I guess the plums are also 4 per unit, I think, because there's 8 of them. So 2 units of 4. So I'm pretty excited. We got some nice groceries to last us a while. This is Facebook Yo's All Play. Toodles, noodles, capoodles, imperfectfoods.com. Some stats: 40% of food in the U.S. goes uneaten and wasted. $218 billion in food is thrown away every year. 21% of fresh water supply is used to produce wasted food. 20 billion pounds of fresh produce go unharvested or unsold. That's pretty sad. So we have to do our best to try to avoid the bad statistics. Shopping with organic and earth conscious websites helps with the cause of improving our current situation in our planet and our environment, and conserving our nature to the best of our ability, because we have to do that. It's our responsibility as citizens of our planet. It says if you're reading this side of the box, which is the bottom, you're either an ant or very curious about imperfect foods, or repurposing the box for around the house or an aquarium. Great work. We won't tell you, or a pet house, huh? Maybe not an aquarium, but we heard that 1 in 5 cats don't have a fort to play in. Just saying. That's funny. It's a pretty good big box. Bye, y'all.